Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change graphics quality settings in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Click on Settings, then Graphics. Now you can either choose a graphics preset from here, or if you set it to custom, you can adjust the settings, visual quality, FPS target, resolution, upscaling quality. When you set it to low, you can adjust enable or disable anti-aliasing, shadow quality, and here is auto aliasing. You can set it to off or yes, but only if upscaling quality is set to low. Then click here to go back and click anywhere on the screen to exit settings. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.